Okay guys, here's the last set of notes for dividing polynomials. This part is synthetic division. Now, synthetic division doesn't always work. It only works if you're dividing by a binomial. Excuse me, and the degree of your binomial is 1. So can only divide binomial with a degree of 1. Okay. So right here we are dividing, this is a binomial. It has 2 terms, so binomial, and then the degree is 1. If that is the case, then you can use synthetic division. Remember when we talked about the degree of the polynomial that you are dividing? That degree can be anything. The degree of that is 3, which means that I will need 4 boxes. But these boxes will look very different from long division. So that box is going to look like a rectangle. And we'll have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here we'll have x cubed, then x squared, then x, and then your constant right here. Now what we'll do with synthetic is inside here we only put the coefficients. So my coefficient for x cubed was 2. The coefficient for x squared is a -8. Coefficient for x is 9. And coefficient, or the constant, is -2. So only the coefficient goes in here. And then the number outside here, we'll take our binomial, set it equal to 0, and solve for x. So x would obviously be 2 here. That's the number that goes outside here. Okay? Now here are the steps. Once you've set this up, you bring down the first number, that's a 2, and then you multiply times the number on the outside. So this would be 4. That number you put here, and then you add. You add these 2 together. So this would be a -4, and then you repeat the process. So -4, multiply by 2, get -8, add. This would be +1, multiply by 2, which is 2, and then we add 0. This last one is the remainder. So we don't have a remainder here. And then if we started with x cubed, this 2 is 2x squared. Then it would be -4x, and this would be our constant. So you just drop it down 1 exponent. So drop these down 1 exponent. And there's no remainder, so this is your answer. And if you checked with long division, you would get the exact same answer. Okay, we'll try another one. This one is a little different. Now this is still a binomial. And the degree is still 1. So we can use synthetic division. Here the degree is 3. So I need 4 boxes. X cubed, x squared, x and the constant, and put our coefficients. So for x cubed, I have 8. X squared, I don't have any, so that's why we need 4 boxes to have that placeholder of a 0. For the x, I have 14. And then my constant is 8. So each one of these needs to be filled. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 when x is negative 1/2. So since that's a fraction, I'm going to put it here, but then at the very end, right here, I'm going to divide all those numbers, just these, not the remainder, divide all of these by the denominator. Okay, so I have to divide by the denominator when it's a fraction. But all of the other steps are the same. I'll bring down the 8. Half of 8 is 4, so this would be a negative 4, and then I add, this is negative 4. Half of negative 4, that's 2, and then I add 16. Half would be negative 8, and then my remainder is 0. So I didn't have a remainder here. Now, since this was a fraction, I have to divide all 3 of these by 2. This would give me 4, negative 2, and 8. I started with x cubed, so this would be 4x squared, drop it down 1, minus 2x plus 8. And that is my answer. So synthetic is a lot faster than long division. You don't have to worry about those the exponents and everything like that. And multiplying, you just worry about the coefficients and do the multiplication and addition, multiplication, addition. But you can only do it if you're dividing by a binomial. So that's the drawback of synthetic division. Okay? Now you go ahead and try this one. Pause the video and give this one a try. Okay, go ahead and check your answers here. With this one, you were missing 2 terms, the x squared and the x were not there, so you needed 2 placeholders of 0, and you also had a remainder. So this should have been your answer with your remainder 2 over the x minus 1. Okay, here's another one for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video and give this one a try. Okay, here is your answer for this one. 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So hopefully you got that. Here's one more for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video and try this one. Okay, for this one, you did have 1/3. So since the fraction is 1/3, you do have to divide by a 3 in this case. And you did have a remainder of negative 1, that does not get divided by the 3. It's only your coefficients for your exponents that get divided by 3. So 1x squared, or just x squared, plus 4x plus 7 minus 1 over 3x minus 1 should have been your final answer there. Okay, so that is synthetic division. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know during class.